Okay, we just got our new pet fountain, and Percy is now going to try for the first time. If he comes back, we can try to see whether he is interested in maybe discovering the fountain.
What, Percy?
Okay, so I'm going to try to see, because the first time they have never been to the fountain before. So Annie is let's see whether she's interested in the fountain. She's a little bit scared. Annie, you want to try the fountain? Percy, come. Oh, Percy is already trying, and now Annie's also trying. They're trying the fountain. So we're going to try the second time now. Hey Percy, you want to try the fountain? And Annie really likes the fountain. Great, Annie. Good job.